The async modifier is used to specify that a method, lambda expression, or anonymous method is asynchronous. It allows you to run tasks in the background without blocking the main thread, making your application more responsive. Asynchronous operations are often used for I/O bound tasks like file handling, web requests, or database queries. When a method is marked as async, it typically returns a task or task T, which represents the ongoing operation. Inside the method, you can use the await keyword to pause execution until a task is complete, without blocking the calling thread. This enables the method to continue executing other tasks while waiting for the result.